Welcome to the End Content Co YouTube channel, where we delve into the fascinating world of technology. In today's video, we're kicking off part 1 of our third build series. We're thrilled to have you join us as we embark on this journey. Here, we're all about tech and exploring its endless possibilities. From unboxings to tutorials, you'll find a plethora of content on our channel, all centered around our shared passion for technology. And hey, just so you know, this video is not sponsored. Don't forget to hit subscribe and ring the bell to stay updated with our latest uploads. Today, we're diving into the intricate process of building a computer from scratch. This build was commissioned by a customer, and every component we're using has been carefully selected based on their specific needs and preferences. Now, let's kick things off with unboxing the Lian Dynamic O11 case. Having used various iterations of this case in the past, we're excited to explore its features once again. As we carefully unpack, you can see the sleek black design complemented by smoked glass panels, exuding a premium aesthetic. Removing the glass panels reveals the inner workings of the case, including SSD card trays for storage and ample space for additional fans to enhance airflow. With the case prepped, we're ready to dive into the heart of our build. Speaking of the heart, let's talk about our motherboard, the Asus ROG Strix B550F Gaming. Sporting an AMD chipset, this motherboard not only looks sleek but also packs a punch in terms of performance and features. Now, onto the brains of our operation, the AMD Ryzen 5 processor, complete with its included fan. This CPU is a powerhouse, delivering optimal performance for both gaming and multitasking. Now, let's talk about keeping our CPU cool. We're utilizing the included AMD Ryzen 5 stock cooler fan. While it may not have all the bells and whistles of aftermarket coolers, it's a reliable option that ensures efficient cooling performance for our setup. Proper thermal management is crucial for maintaining optimal CPU performance, and this cooler fan gets the job done effectively. Next up, we're installing the Corsair DDR4 32GB RAM clocked at 3600 MHz. These modules not only provide ample memory for our system but also boast impressive speeds for seamless multitasking and gaming experiences. And there you have it, folks, the initial stages of our epic build journey. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll delve deeper into assembling the remaining components. Be sure to check out our previous videos linked in the description below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Until next time, happy building!